Alright y'all, what's going on? Been a little while since I've been out. It's been real cold, guys. But today I'm going to throw a new drive shaft on the Traxxas Rustler VXL 4x4. A fun little Traxxas vehicle. Every time I take it out, it seems to break drive shafts. And this was a metal upgrade. And as you can see, it snapped the metal upgrade off. So we're going to pull that up bad boy. You can see it snapped it clean off in there. Look at that. Man, it's bad. But either way, we're going to pull that little bad boy out of there. We're going to slap this new one on there. Part number 6852A. Stock replacement. And we're going to see if she holds up a little bit and take this thing out here and play in the snow a little bit. Stay tuned. It's on this video. In this video, Traxxas Rustler, ripping. One of my favorite Traxxas vehicles. Oh, that's a loose wheel. Right along with the x-maxx. That's a beast. Always. Got to repair that thing too. Get it figured out. Drivetrain issues, as always. But, yeah, we're going to get this baby out and ripping today. Be right back. There we have it, y'all. One Traxxas Rustler VXL. Ready for action. Let's get this thing out in the snow.
Come on, y'all. Traxxas Rustler VXL 4x4 back in business. Out here in the snow. That body's rubbing. My first snow bash this year. I ain't been out in it yet. .3S little Traxxas Rustler. About bebopping around in the snow. And tires don't like that body. That body don't like them tires, one or the other. This thing's a ripper though on dry land. Pretty fun in the snow too. Not factory tires, obviously. It's just a ripping. She's getting hot already. Don't you try it. Oh, body rub. We need to get you out on dry pavement so you can do some wheelies. See if we can't break that new drive shaft in right. Do some wheelies. Let's get out here on the road, see if she'll yank wheelies. Oh, she will. Dry pavement, she'll yank them right up. That body's not liking it. Neighbor's cars. And tires cleaned up a little bit. Maybe she'll yank them. Nope, she's doing burnouts. Killer burnouts. She liked it. This thing's pulling like crazy. Let's get that adjusted right now. Which one's the steering trim? Oh, that's better already. Let's see if we can't get another jump like that off. That's pretty cool, actually. Oh, not steps. Is this thing going straight now? No, it's not. Try it again. What the world? We kicked up a Lunchable thing out of the ground. Let's actually get her lined up here and get her going straight this time. Oh God! Oh God! That was almost a telephone pole. Eat out of there, boy. Get out of there. Four-wheel drive. Get out of there. Oh, she's fast when she wants to be. This is a 3-year-old Sokokin battery too, guys. 5200 milliamp. This thing's a beast of battery. Oh Lord. Out here in the cold too, running for longer than I thought it was going to. Oh, get out of there. Let's try to jump this thing again. That's pretty fun. Ease into it. Dig out of there, baby. I had a boy. Go straight, dang. Oh, that was a close one, boys. Get out the road, traffic coming. Oh, and we're over. Dag on it. We're still recording this crap. We are. Back out of action. Back out of action. Oh, there's lipo cut, boys. All right, y'all. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Until next time. We already broke a drive shaft, didn't we? Is that drive shaft broke? Nope, it's still good. All right, y'all. Peace out. Till the next one. Get out and have some fun. Just bash it.